Now, moving on to question 6. The healthcare provider prescribes 1,000 mLs of normal saline to infuse over 12 hours. Okay, that's the key number. Over 12 hours because it's not 60 minutes, right? This is for a client who's dehydrated. So the drip factor is 15. So what is the drips per minute for this client? So once again, we're setting up our formula. TV makes you deaf over time. So for total volume, it's 1,000 mLs. Drip factor is 15 and 60 minutes times 12 since there are 12 hours here. So please don't forget that step. Okay, now we're multiplying both top and bottom across. So we get 15,000 over 720. Then we do simple division and we get 20.8. So we must round up because we can't give a portion of a drop, right? So the correct answer is 21 drops per minute.